In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your streaming destinations, often referred to as channels, to streamline your live streaming experience. Whether you're gearing up for a gaming broadcast, a webinar, or a public announcement, having your channels set up correctly is crucial in reaching your audience effectively. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard. Once there, look for the section labeled Channels, or it might appear as Add Channels. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on the plus Add Channel button, you'll be presented with a variety of platform options to choose from. You can opt for popular platforms like YouTube, Facebook Live, Twitch, or LinkedIn, depending on where your audience is most active, or you might choose several if you intend to multi-stream. The next phase involves authorizing Restream to access and post to the platform you've selected. Follow the on-screen prompts, which might include logging in and allowing the necessary permissions. Ensure you are comfortable with the permissions you'll be providing, as this allows for seamless integration and broadcasting. It's important to note that you have the flexibility of adding multiple channels. Once you've added your preferred platforms, you'll notice that you have the option to toggle them on or off for any given stream. This feature allows for maximum flexibility, whether you're hosting an industry-specific live chat or a broad multi-platform live event. Here's a handy tip if you're planning to stream to several platforms. It's essential to ensure that you have the required permissions for each one. Some platforms might ask you to verify your account before streaming, so it's best to check these details ahead of time to avoid any disruption when you go live. With your channel successfully added, the next step is to choose your preferred streaming method. Restream offers a few versatile options here. If you want to keep things simple, consider using the browser-based studio, known as Restream Studio. This option allows you to stream directly from your browser using your camera, microphone, screen share, and even bring in guest invites. Alternatively, if you're familiar with streaming software like OBS Studio, you can use Restream as your multi-streaming destination by inputting the RTMP URL and key. This way, you let Restream handle the distribution to multiple channels. Finally, for those who work with pre-recorded content, you have the option to upload and stream these videos, scheduling them to appear as live broadcasts. This approach is especially useful for creating a live feel even when you're away from the camera. Each streaming method has its own set of features and advantages, so choose the one that aligns best with your content strategy and technical comfort level. That's what you've got on adding and managing your streaming channels. I hope this helps streamline your content creation process, and I look forward to seeing your amazing broadcasts across platforms.